Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korean. Today we will try to talk about the top 3 advantages of buying the Realme 8 Pro device. As you can see friends, so right now the Realme 8 Pro is got launched and it's available in the Flipkart as well. And a lot of users did ask me what are the advantages of buying the Realme 8 Pro, and I came across only 3 advantages friends. So there can be other advantages as well, but I thought of just including the major advantages only. So if I did miss any of those advantages, make sure to comment below as well friends. And there are so many disadvantages for this phone, so which I'll try to cover in other video, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that video. So let's talk about the top 3 advantages of this Realme 8 Pro device. So first is that let's start with the camera. So 108 megapixel camera for this kind of 18,000 rupees. So this is the lowest priced 108 megapixel camera you can get right now in the market. So this is the first advantage, having the 108 megapixel camera. And second advantage is that the phone has got the very less price, 17,999. So for this price and the camera is kind of good, I would say. So previously Realme 7 Pro 1,000 rupees more. 7 Pro is only 1,000 rupees more, and that has 64 megapixel, and this has only 108 megapixel. So price is another major form factor where the Realme 8 Pro might get sales more as well. The price and the camera are the 2 advantages. And the third advantage of this phone is having the very good build quality. So build quality is, when I'm talking about build quality, is like the phone weight is 176 grams. That's a one advantage. Even by keeping the very good battery, they did not even compromise with the battery. Even by 4,500 mAh of battery capacity, still the phone was able to have very less weight, 176 grams only. That's a very good build quality they maintain in this phone. So these are the few advantages which I have found in this phone, and there can be other advantages like having Super AMOLED display and having the 50-watt fast charging, all those things which are already available in the previous version. So that's why I did not mention those things friends. If you compare with the Realme 7 Pro, 7 Pro has got 65-watt fast charging, better fast charging, and you got same 4,500 mAh of battery. There's nothing got changed. So these are the things which you need to know. If you compare with the previous version, only the things got changed is price and the camera. So price and the camera are the 2 things only which changed a lot. Display, I don't think that much we can see the change in this phone. So that's why I cannot find any other advantages friends in this phone except this 3: build quality and this price and this camera as well. Even in the build quality, so one of the weirdest thing is that the phone has got big logo on the back side, so which I'll be trying to talk about the disadvantages. So there I'll be covering all those things. That is the most frustration part of me, seeing that logo. So that's it friends. These are the top 3 only I can come across all the advantages in this phone. I cannot see any other advantages. So the reason I'm saying I cannot see is that there are already few models in the Realme which are already available with the same features. So this 108 megapixel is new, and this having this low price is also new. Maybe the build quality may also be same in other Realme phones, but it's another thing which I want to just point out. So that's it, and these are the top 3 advantages of this phone. And there are more disadvantages than advantages in this phone. So make sure to watch that video just in case if you want to know disadvantages. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.